OMG! This is Germany!
Bam! Welcome back. I opened FIFA World Cup 2026 FC Mobile Packs. It's time to open it. Oh my god. Are you ready, guys? Please subscribe, share and like. And let's go! And let's go, guys. This is my first pack in today. Let's go. Yeah. What the fuck is this? What is Harris, bro? Oh my god, there is Ronaldo, Neymar, Nitina. Let's go. Where is? And this is, bro. What the fuck is this?
Please give me my brother Ronaldo, please. And this is, bro. What is black? Bro, what the hell? Black monkey? What? Bro, what the fuck? Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh my god, OMG. Germany! Striker! Germany! And this is Havertz, bro. Bro, let's go. Okay guys, Champion League pack. Let's go. Oh my. Bro, it's Ohuegu, bro. What the hell? Ohuegu, bro. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Guys, this is my last pack today, and oh my god, what the hell is this country, bro? See them, Cote d'Ivoire. Let's go. See them. Let's go. Good player. This is or bad.